Band descriptors. The IELTS writing exam is marked by examiners who use a secret marking rubric. Unfortunately, you won't ever see that document unless you become an IELTS examiner yourself. The good news is, there's a more general version of the rubric that is freely available. You can find it by searching for IELTS writing band descriptors in any internet search engine. Understanding the public band descriptors is the first step to learn how to craft a high-level IELTS essay. The public descriptors will also form the basis for this course, as we will look at each area in detail. Here are the public band descriptors for IELTS writing at Band 7. If you have never thought much about these before, take the time now to read them and think about how your own writing fits the descriptions. The rest of this course will break down these 4 areas and give specific examples of what the descriptors mean. By the end of the course, you will understand how to ensure that you meet the overall requirements of the task, how to decide on your position and plan your ideas in a logical sequence, how to use vocabulary that is appropriate for Band 7, and how to use various strategies to improve your grammatical range and accuracy.